Good morning, traders. Looks like we're going to start the day pressing pretty significant support early, pretty much all the way across the board. So let's take a quick look at it because, once again, this is probably a big deal right here. This low down here that we're pressing overnight, making 45.12 or 10 is probably going to be the key. It held it overnight. I don't know if it'll hold early this morning. They might blow through it. They might not. You're going to want to see what they're thinking. I mean, if this is a significant correction or rollover, then we're probably got a little more downside. And I can see this thing going all the way down to about 44.80. There is a gap from about 44.97 down to about 78. So, maybe we come down and fill it, maybe get a little more panic, roll it down, and then we'll see where the powers to be want to come in. I mean, basically, for the last few months, they have taken advantage of every sell off. Anything coming off key support, if it's not DMAs, it's the trend line, overall trend line, and this thing comes from all the way down here, 41.50 up to 46.30. That's a pretty significant run up. So this is being tested pretty much right in here. So gonna want to watch it. Actually, 40, this is coming off of this low right down here. They kind of broke trend yesterday, right here, getting underneath the MA, which I thought was going to be the hold. I mean, they gear you so they get you so prepared for the upside and the opportunities that as a trader you have to take it if it provides confirmation. And yesterday in the morning there was a little volume and a hold at about 40 45, 58 to 60 area. There was a long there. I took it as well. It just fizzled. And, they basically rolled over and said, that's it. We're going to take some money off the table. Then it just became a jump on from all the way across the board. So, we're just going to have to see if this is going to follow through and confirm further downside activity. So pay really close attention. You can see we're coming down, we're leaking already in the morning, and that's usually means they might push this down. So let's just see where they go. They did not even make an attempt to take any longs yesterday. I mean, to at least bounce back, and there was some profit taking, down around 44.30. So, if we bounce and then we get a run up, we're going to just have to see how far they want to ram it. I mean, yesterday they kind of ran out steam at around 50. So, that could be the first area, and the ultimate resistance would be up around 45.62, which is the MAs where this whole thing fell off from. The Aztec, for what it is below their MAs. So this is kind of new territory for them, and they've had a monster run up. So where could they go? I mean, they could easily come down to here, down to 15.1, and maybe even 15,000 if it gets really out of whack. So pay attention to it, and let's see how they want to play this. Let's see if there's a continuation to the downside. I would watch this too as well. 35 200 in the Dow is probably going to be very significant as well. I mean, there's an air pocket, so I just don't know if this is a significant correction or just a little bit of profit taking, which the market pretty much needed. So, at the end of the day, I think this thing is bullish, but you're just going to have to see if if the money comes in and holds it up and shows that they're going to hold this up. So, you got to still think the same way, but don't get in front of it. Make sure you got confirmation and a reversal going back up. So be patient, wait for your opportunities, and good luck trading for the rest of the week. It's Thursday, so there's a possibility this thing might flush hold, and then maybe they'll try and hold it up for a Friday session. I think Friday's unemployment, so it's going to be pretty tricky. So, we're going to see what they're thinking. This market for the last few months seems like there's been front running all of these numbers, and then they've been pretty much right, and then the number comes out and there's more add on. This is why this market has gotten so abused to the upside that, maybe this market needs to get more in balance. So we're going to have to just see. This is why we trade, so Good luck and have a great session, guys. Take care.